So, hello everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. Today's video, I'm showing you how we constructed and started our greenhouse farm right in the city of Jos. That's my baby right there. I couldn't control them. They wanted to be part of what they were doing there. They found it was interesting to them. So you see the most part of the video. So yeah, there's a little sound there. They needed electricity to cut some iron, to bend some for the greenhouse project. So they were using electricity. That's why the sound is there. Please keep watching. There's a lot for you to see how we started, how we grew our bell peppers, and how they are doing now. You'll learn one or two things if you can even want to even start your own. So yeah, keep watching.
Lenka, stop it. Stop it. Stand up from there.
Then that is nappy you. Cutie.
Wow, it's gradually taking shape. It's gradually taking shape. As you can see, please keep watching. So at this stage, the green farm is fully covered. The upper part is covered with nylon, the sides with a very strong net, and then towards the down it's also covered with leather so that water cannot pass through it because it's a controlled area. So we're now making the bed, the nursery. That's how it is done. This is 7 ridges. We have 7 ridges, but we should have done it 6 so that you have space when they start growing. But then we made it 7. This is how you cover it. You cover it with nylon. This is the greenhouse from outside. Still working on the nursery. So the ridges are covered to stop weeds from growing, but we later perforate it and then transplant rather the bell peppers. Keep watching. Keep watching. So this is how it is grown in crates, and then now we have fully transplanted it into the greenhouse. We perforated it, created channels for water. Yes, these are the channels for water close to the where you transplant. They've been fully transplanted now. At exactly 1 month, we transplanted them. This is how they are now. It's a lot of work, but it's absolutely worth it.
Amen. Oh. Amen, sir. Yes. Naked when you hear ba? Naked when you hear ba? You hear ba? Break head ba? When I go to cook a rifa, a quizafi.
The neighbor, he said he had BP. 170 over 140. Somebody is 44. 44. That's high. What's your problem? So what are you doing that? I said, well,
It's causing BP.
He wanted me to give him some herbal this. I said, well, that is not the first thing. What exactly is your problem? He started talking. He said, what do you do? He said, can his anger be part? I said, yes. And he started confessing. He said, because you are Papa, I can tell you. My mother-in-law and I we are not a good time. I said, why?
His mother-in-law.
Yes, he said there was a day his mother-in-law came and was giving him the prophecy as to the fact that he is blocking his daughter's
Progress.
yes, progress. He said he abused this woman and asked her to get out of his house. You are this, you are this, you are
Of
this.
course.
And then from that time on, they became enemies. And then, because of that, he now started
No peace
transfer that into the wife.
to the wife.
He no longer loves the wife and all that.
Thank you so much for watching today's videos. If you have any questions, something I haven't really captured in the video, let me know. I will answer them. And please subscribe for more videos like this and more. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you.
It's affecting his peace in his home.
In his home.
BP will come now.
You cannot, no matter the provocation, you cannot insult your father-in-law or your mother-in-law. Yes. You cannot do that.
Yes.
That one has made attempts, several occasions to phone you. so that he removed, he blocked her.
He has anger issues.
And then sometimes he goes to, he was talking about it, a day he went to a house. They live in Jos. The mother-in-law lives in Jos. He went to a house very close